Throughout this series, we've used Sass and Compass in order to watch our Sass files and convert them to CSS as soon as those Sass files change. This is a form of automation. It saves us time. We don't have to manually compile those each time. And the two most popular generalized front-end automation tools, Grunt and Gulp, both work in a similar way. They allow you to do certain things on demand or in reaction to files changing in your project. Things like concatenating multiple files together and minifying those files, and then changing which scripts are being used inside of your files so you can easily switch between development and production mode. And all with a single command. Now, doing this isn't just beneficial for yourself, it's also almost critical when you're working with a team because it helps make explicit what's supposed to happen when you're working in development and when you're working in production. Maybe not everybody knows all of the steps that go into place when preparing a project for production, but if you have it all codified in your automation tool, you don't have to worry about everybody knowing how all of that works, because everyone will have access to the same script and they can run it very easily.